A credit check free is the only way to get a credit card. I know that sounds crazy, but it is true. If you are trying to find out if you qualify for a credit card, there is really no way to check your credit history. If you have any debts that you need to pay off, then you are probably in dire need of some credit. If you don't, you will certainly want to be sure you have as much credit as possible. You can do this by getting a credit card for free. There are so many places you can go to get a free card. Sometimes it is that they will pay you if you use them for a specific amount of time. Other times you can find a coupon or some other type of incentive that can get you some free cards. Whatever the case, the point is, you can't get a credit card with bad credit. The thing to remember is that most people will only allow you a credit card with a good rating, but if you get a card with bad credit, then you cannot use it. So, it is important to know your credit history, and do it now before someone else makes your life a living hell. The first place you should start when it comes to credit check free is your bank. Most banks will offer you a credit card. Make sure you apply for the card, you will probably get approved. When you apply for the card, make sure that you show proof of income. This can be paid taxes, minimum wage, or even a check. Credit cards have been known to accept checks with special instructions on how to open the account. If this is something you need, write down the information and send it into the bank. After you apply, make sure you get your credit report and figure out what you need to do next. Credit cards come with points. The point system varies from one company to another, but basically, it is a way to reward you for making the payments on time. The total number of points you get depends on the credit limit that you have. You will never get enough points to max out the credit limit, so don't waste money on cards that don't give you enough points. Instead, choose a card that gives you the maximum points. Choose a card that has a low interest rate, but still has a high interest rate. The cards with low interest rates help you keep your balance low, but the high interest rate actually gets worse the more you spend on the card. Make sure you use the credit card wisely. You should pay at least the minimum monthly payment every month. If you are using it to make large purchases, such as house payments, car payments, college payments, etc., you need to start paying extra towards the cost. If you are a homeowner, have a garage sale every few months, and set aside money for bills each month, you can't go wrong. Although the card is free, it can actually hurt you to be able to get a credit card. You need to make sure you use it wisely, don't spend it all at once, and keep paying attention to your credit report.